Hey there, it's Jason here from 1 Hour Forex, and today is March the 14th, 2012. And basically, we're going to look at the setups here, and we're going to see what we have. So here was the 6 o'clock candle right here, which is 2 o'clock in the morning. Look at this, it bounced right off here and right down to S2. Look at that, eh? They're going to take that euro down. But anyway, as you can see here, let me move this. There was no trade on here, unless you considered this a double bottom, but I guess you could have considered it a trade. Your target would have been right there, 10 pips away. That doesn't look like a very good trade. I think it closed, it gave you the entry probably in the last 15 minutes. So let's just go take a look and see if that was the case. Hold on. Would have got long right there. Yeah, no, I guess you would have got long in the first 15 minutes. So yeah, you would have got long and it would have closed right up here. Okay, you would have closed with a few pips. If you would have waited till the next few hours, it finally would have hit your target over here. Okay, so there was a trade there, I guess you could say, and it closed up with a few pips. It would have never hit your stop if you would have put your stop down here, or even below the wick of the candle. Okay, there was no trade on here, but there was no trade also on the 4 o'clock. So here's the 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. There's a trade on the 2 o'clock, but not the 3 and the 4. Okay, so this is the 11 o'clock candle right now in the U.S. session. So we go 10, 9, 8. Here's the 8 o'clock candle. Okay, there's no trade on there. Okay, and this candle here, if it did indeed open up, come down, and come back up to buy it, let's go see if that was the case. I always forget to put the line where it needs to be. Yeah, you would have bought it right there. Okay, let's look at the 15. So yeah, it would have opened up here, came down. Yes, came down, bounced off. Yes. Yes, you would have got long right here. And if you would have put your stop under here, okay, yeah, it would have come down and got your stop. If not, you would have closed that pretty much break even. Now, the next trade, if there was one, was right here. You could have drew a trend line. Okay. That wouldn't have been your best trend line, but yeah. It went through the trend line, came back down. It was too close to these S1 and 3050, so there was no trade. So there was no trade. There was one trade. It was a buy, I believe, and it was a loser. And there was no other trades today. Okay, so there's just the one trade here. You made a few pips, and this one here was a loser by a few pips. And that's it for the setups for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.